Alright guys, good to see you. Welcome to Fun Cooking with Knox. Yes, and that is me. Hey, guess what? We are going to make cheese ball. Woohoo! Cheese ball. Yes, delicious cheese ball. What is cheese ball? Okay, cheese ball, we just need literally four ingredients. We need the sausage. Now I use spicy medium. I don't like those really spicy because my stomach doesn't like it. And then we need to have a cup of cheddar, sharp cheddar cheese. And then we need a cup of biscuits. I have the pancake and baking mix. And then we have the poultry seasoning. That's all we need for this cheese ball. All right, so let's go do it. So the very first thing that we need to do is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Let's go do it, okay? So we're gonna do oven bake, and then it's already set as 350, and then we're just gonna push start. Here you go. I got this recipe from my really good friend Julie. One day we were at work, we were just talking, and she was asking me what would be my next video about. I was like, I really want to do some American food. So she said, hey, how about doing cheese ball? I was like, well, that would be great. And she was telling me about her recipe, and I have not done this one, and it sounded really good. So it's really easy, and now I guess we're going to learn it today. All right, let's do it. So first we are going to put this sausage over here. Yes, I can even talk today. So we are just going to put the sausage in our mixer, and yes, we are just gonna put this one in here. So we're just gonna put our meat in here, just like that. All right, I would like to take every single meat out of here. So we got our meat here, and then next we are going to put our a cup of bisquik. Yes. And then on this, we are going to add the 1 cup of cheddar cheese. So we just have to add all the ingredients, and also our poultry seasoning. All right, here you go. 2 tablespoons of poultry, actually 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning. And after this, we just have to connect our dough hook, and then let's put it in, and we're gonna turn it on. There you go. Just leave it there until everything is mixed. Alright, the next step, guys, is we are going to make little balls, and then we are going to put it in our baking sheets, and we are going to bake it for 15 to 17 minutes, okay? Alright. So I already washed my hand, and we just have to make little balls. This about this big, okay? So we just have to make little balls, because I want to be like, I want to do it like the same size, guys. I want like one's big and one small. So I want like even, okay? Oops, all right. And for your keto dieter, if you're doing keto, this is really good too, guys. So we just have that sausage, and then did I say sausage ball? Yes, this is a sausage ball. That's right, not meatballs, right? It is a sausage ball. All right. We're almost done. So excited for this. Yes. So these are good for any potlucks. You know, if you have a little gathering at church or any birthday party. So this is like really easy, and it's quick because it will be done by around 15 minutes. So this is really easy to make. I remember my first time eating this at work when I used to work in a factory. That was I was like, I can't understand. I was like, wow, this really tastes good. So I was like asking people how to make it, and every time we have potluck, I asked that one lady, I was like, can you please make some more of those cheese ball, because it's so delicious. So I got my bowls ready here. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Actually, let's just make it 20. Make this one up. 2. Here you go. So we got 20 balls. Woohoo! I'm so excited. So I am ready to put it in the oven. And these are our balls that is ready for baking. So this time we are going to put our cheese ball in the oven. Ooh, it's hot. And we're going to set it for let's just go 17 minutes, okay? 17 minutes. Ooh, did you hear that? That means our cheese ball is ready. Let's go check it. Yes, it is ready. Ooh, looks delicious. And we're ready for plating. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy our easy and simple dish that we made today, cheese ball. Now guys, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do so. And I would like to say special thanks to Julie, who shared this recipe to us, and then for Leah King for making my beautiful hat. So thank you so much, guys, and hey, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video, and also do not forget to click that notification bell so that you will see you will be notified for my latest video. And as always, God bless you and thank you. Bye. Come on, yes, there you go. Ooh, looks good. Does it? Yeah. good. My wife said. Yes.